Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn check if key exists in the JavaScript object or not. So let's start the tutorial. So here we have the script file that we have already done some of the calculations. This is the script.js, right? So let's check. Just you need to add key and in object, right? So where we are object, here we have the object. Let's suppose I have the course key, right? So I'm going to pass it over here, course. It exists in the object or not? Then it will print true or false. Okay. So let's comment any of the logs that we have. Let's comment and check localhost php js javascript js. So let's open this console. Undefined object. Okay, so what is the object name is my object. Copy this and paste this in object. Okay, let's reload this. It says false, means it exists in that object, correct? Let's add anything, course 2, which is not in the object, right? So reload this, true. That means if that means the key not exist in that object, then it will return true. Okay, so this is how you can check whether the key exists in the current object or not. If it return true, that means it does not exist in that object. If return false, that means it exists in that object. Okay, so this is how we can gonna get the specifier if the object has the key or not. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.